What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to give you a full step-by-step tutorial on affiliate marketing. So if you're a beginner or you're someone that's been struggling to truly make the amount of sales with affiliate marketing you want, this video is for you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hop on my laptop and I'm going to share with you first off how to find a good affiliate product to promote. Then I'm going to share with you 3 incredibly simple free methods you can use to start getting people to click your affiliate link. So by the end of the video, you can go out there and start to make money and commissions as soon as possible. So without further ado, let me hop on my laptop and let's get started. Okay, my friends, so I'm on my computer right now, and the very first step when you want to do affiliate marketing is you need to find a product to promote. Now, there's a lot of different places to actually find good products. One of them being ClickBank, which you can see on the screen right here. Now, ClickBank is actually free to join. Okay, you can just click sign up at the top right if you don't have an account. And then once you're in your back office, you go to the very top tab under Marketplace, and you can choose a product to promote in a lot of different categories or niches. Now, if you're brand new, what I highly recommend you do is you choose a niche that's either in the make money niche, okay, the wealth, health, or relationships. The reason is these 3 niches are always going to be relevant. People are always going to want answers and solutions in these topics. So you can choose one of those to start off with. Okay. So for example, let's say on ClickBank, wealth, I want to do wealth. I can do e-business, e-marketing. That falls under that category. And then with ClickBank specifically, we want to sort results by gravity. You always want to promote products online, especially if you're just starting, that are already proven to sell well. You don't want to try to reinvent the wheel. You don't want to just promote random products hoping and praying that someone's actually going to buy. With ClickBank, when you sort results by gravity, it shows you the best-selling products that are already selling for other affiliate marketers. So if you promote these products, chances are you're going to make sales also. Okay, so you can actually, on ClickBank, if you see a product you like, you can click promote, and then you can basically generate hop links. And now we want to save this link. This is our affiliate link, and we can go ahead and promote this. And when people click this link, what's going to happen is it's going to take them to the affiliate sales page. Okay, right here. And if they actually go through the process and buy, we will get a commission and we will make money from doing that process. Now, I'm going to include a link directly below to actually my #1 recommended program to actually promote, to make good money very easily without a lot of effort. Be sure to check that out. But now what I want to do is I want to share with you 3 different free traffic methods. And if you don't know, if you're brand new, traffic just means basically getting people to click your affiliate link. I'm going to share 3 different free methods that anyone can do starting today. So by the end of the video, you can go out there and start to make money. The very first place is Facebook. Now, I'm not talking about your creating a big Facebook fan page or stuff like that. I'm talking about just from using your basic free Facebook profile. So what you want to do on Facebook is you want to think about what niche or topic your product has to do with. So let's say for the sake of this video, my topic is health and fitness. Okay, I'll stick with health and fitness through this entire video just so you can understand. Okay, so the first thing is we want to go up here and we want to type in a few words that have to do with that niche. So for me, I could be like health and fitness and then search that. Now, then we want to sort results by groups. Okay, that's going to share with you groups that have to do with the topic of your product. And what we want to do is we want to join, okay, a lot of these groups, because what we're going to do is we're actually going to go into these groups and we're going to start to market our product. Okay, so for example, let's say I join this one, okay, and I go in here. Now, what you can do is once you're a member, you can actually post a post that other people in the group will see. Now, it's a good idea to actually join a group with a lot of members, okay? Anywhere above 10,000 members is really good. This one has close to 20,000 because the more members, the more people can potentially see your post in this group. And what we're going to do is we're going to actually do an ad. Okay, so we want to create a post. Now, I recommend using this, okay, where you can actually choose a different background. It makes it stand out a little bit more when you do these type of posts. And what we want to do is we want to make a post relevant to the product we're promoting. So it's going to depend on whatever product you promote. You want to think about what benefit that product has to do with. A lot of people, they go wrong when they do affiliate marketing. They share way too much information. They give away the product name in their posts on social media. And what it does is it removes any curiosity. The thing that's going to get you the most sales is curiosity, because people are going to have to go to your link to find out more information. And when they do, the link is going to do all the selling and telling for us. So let's say, for example, the product I'm promoting helps people lose weight. And maybe on the sales page, okay, maybe it tells me that, a woman named Sarah lost 7 pounds in 10 days. Okay. I can use that in a post to get people curious about the product we're promoting. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to write something that basically is going to ask a question. So the formula I typically use and recommend is, do you want to discover how? And then you put in the benefit that your product teaches. So for example, in this case, do you want to discover how Sarah lost 7 pounds in 10 days? And let's say the product taught people how to do it without exercise. Okay, just for example. And again, you can apply this to anything. Do you want to discover how Sarah lost 7 pounds in 10 days without exercising? Okay, now that's the question. That's going to pique people's interest. And because it's a health and fitness group, chances are a lot of people are going to be interested in this. Now, this is the last piece of this powerful free traffic strategy. We want to give a call to action. So we want to tell people to comment info below. Okay, so for example, I say, do you want to discover how Sarah lost 7 pounds in 10 days? Comment info for more information. And that's it. Okay, and then what I would do is I would literally just post this. And what's going to happen is people are going to see it in the group. The bigger the group that are in the niche of your product you're promoting, the more people that are going to be curious about this, and they're going to comment info. Now, what happens is when someone comments info, you're just going to open up their comment, go to their profile, and message them. And all you're going to do is say something like, hey, I saw you commented for more information. Here's the link. And then you're literally just going to send them your affiliate link. Again, if you're promoting a ClickBank product, you could send them your Hop link, okay? You can also mask your link, okay, by redirecting to a domain. You can look on YouTube how to do that. It's very simple. In case Facebook gives you a warning if you send a direct affiliate link, which it does in some cases. But that's it, my friend. That's the process to start getting free traffic. It's incredibly simple, and you can do this many times a day in different groups. The next free traffic strategy is Instagram. Now, most people have an Instagram account, okay? And you don't need thousands of followers to do this method. I'm going to share with you how you can start getting targeted followers. It's more about having high quality followers than it is about thousands of followers, okay? So let's say, again, for the sake of this demonstration, you're in the health and fitness niche. The first thing you want to do is you want to create your profile and bio so it looks relevant to that niche. Okay, so you're essentially creating a profile in the health and fitness niche or whatever niche you're in. So for example, you can put your name, okay, you can put a little bit about yourself, and then you want to give a call to action. Now, I promote events, okay, so I use my profile for that. I'm not necessarily doing affiliate marketing, but I'm still following the process. I'm giving a call to action. I'm telling someone what to do if they want more information, and then I have my link. You want to put your affiliate link in your bio. Now, another way to do this, if you don't want to put your face out there, you can actually create a profile around health and fitness. So you could do something like health and fitness inspiration, or, let's say it's dating. You can do dating advice, and it's just a profile around dating advice, and you don't actually show your face. And then the link is, again, going to a product that has to do with that niche, in that case, dating. So once we have our profile set up, and for the profile picture, you can either use a picture of yourself, or you can go to Google Images, find a picture that has to do with the health and fitness niche, or again, whatever niche you're in. And then now we want to start getting followers. Okay, so how do we start getting followers for free? What you want to do is you want to go to the search bar, and we want to type the hashtag symbol followed by a few words that have to do with the niche. So for example, health and fitness. Okay, and then I want to search that hashtag. And what that's going to do, that's going to show a lot of people that have tagged their photo with this hashtag. And what that does is we can actually find people, okay, that have quite a bit of likes. Let's see this one, okay? So this has to do with health and fitness, okay? So if I open up people who have liked this, okay, there's quite a bit of people. Now, what I know is, and what you should know if you're watching this video and follow me along, these people, because they liked a photo that's tagged with health and fitness, chances are these people are interested in health and fitness. So what we can do is we can literally just go down. Now this is in Spanish, okay, because I'm currently in Colombia. But we could just click, okay, follow, follow, follow. And you can do about 15 people an hour, okay? So you don't want to go too crazy, but you can literally just follow these people. Now, what's going to happen is because your profile is set up to be relevant to the niche that the people you're following are in, they're going to see who followed them. And they're going to check out your profile. And they may even click your link right away. But chances are they're going to follow you back a good portion because, again, your profile is relevant. Now, as you're building your following, what you want to do is we want to make posts, okay? Now, what do we post on our Instagram profile? What you want to do, and again, I'm not using this profile for that. I'm just using this as an example. What you would do is you would post quotes, memes, inspiration, okay? Basically valuable things that people in that niche would like. So one way you can do that is you can go to Google Images and you can search in your niche followed by the word quotes. So in this example, health and fitness quotes. And you can see they have hundreds of different quotes that people related to health and fitness would like, okay? The best investment you can ever make is in your own health, okay? Don't you think someone interested in health and fitness would like that post? Yes, okay. So what we can do is we can actually just download this to our computer and we can post this on our wall on Instagram. And that's going to start to build your engagement. Now, what you can also do on Instagram is you can post results of the product you're promoting. So one way to do that is you can go to the actual, okay, sales page, and chances are they often have testimonials. Okay, so you can watch this. Okay, you can actually go in here. You can watch the video and screenshot, okay, one of the results. They're going to show testimonials. And you can actually take those testimonials and you can post them on your profile. So the two types of main posts as you're building your following on Instagram are valuable posts, okay, again, inspiring posts, quotes, memes, and then result posts, because this is going to get people interested in the product you're promoting. And then what you want to do is when you post these, okay, in the caption right here, you want to actually put in a call to action. So you want to tell people, hey, if you want to discover my #1 way to lose weight, click the link in my bio. If you want to discover the #1 way to make money online, click the link in my bio. So as you're posting these photos, you're constantly getting engagement, more exposure, and you're telling people and leading people to the link in your bio. Okay, that process is going to drive free traffic over and over again so you can start to get sales even if you're brand new. And the last free traffic method I want to share with you is Quora. Quora is incredibly powerful. Basically, what Quora allows you to do is answer questions that are related to your product and your niche. So what you can do is create a free account on Quora. I can go up here and I can type in a few words that have to do with the niche. Again, health and fitness in this example. Once I do that, we can actually sort results by this week, past week, because this is going to share with us the most recent questions people have. And then what you can do is you can literally just open up one of them, okay? And because this question has to do with health and fitness, we want to actually answer it, and we want to lead people to our affiliate link because we're positioning our product as the solution to their question. But you can't usually just link directly to an affiliate link on Quora. So one workaround I found is you can actually go to a site called blogger.com. Just search that in Google. You can create a free blog, and then you can actually create a new post, okay? And then on this, you can put your affiliate link. So let's say, for example, I was promoting this product here, okay? I can get my affiliate link right there, go back to the post in Blogger, and I can say, hey, if you want to learn the top way to lose weight fast, click here now. Then I can highlight, okay, those words, and I can put in my affiliate link, okay? And for the title, I can say something like best way to lose weight fast, okay? Something related to the post, and then publish. okay? And now I can actually open this. I can copy the link to this post, okay? And then what I can do is I can go back to Quora and I can answer something very quick. I could say, this is a great question, honestly. And then what you can do is you can just put in a little bit of information, a little bit of value. How do you know the value? You can literally just search this into Google, okay? And then you can see what other people said, and you can literally just take this, put it in your own words. You don't want to copy exactly, okay? But you would rewrite that in your own words, and then you can say at the end, this is great, but honestly, if you want my top recommendation to lose weight fast, click here. And then all you want to do is highlight this, and we would put in our blogger article link. So the workflow is we answer questions related in our niche, we link them to a blogger article, and then on the blogger article, we link them to our affiliate link. Okay, there we have it, my friend. I really hope you got value and now you understand affiliate marketing step by step. If you got value, want me to make more videos like this, click the like button below. Also be sure to subscribe, hitting the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. And last but not least, if you want to hit the ground running with affiliate marketing and discover my #1 program to promote, be sure to click the first link below and check that out. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.